In this video, I am going to show you how to install add-ons on Kodi. For this, you need to follow these steps. Part 1. Add the source. Step number 1. Launch Kodi and click the settings symbol right below the Kodi icon at the upper left corner of the home page. Step number 2. Click the File Manager box. Step number 3. Go to the Add Source tab on the left side menu and click on to open. Step number 4. A pop-up window will appear. Click the Known tab inside. Step number 5. Enter the source URL in the designated field at the top and click Go. The source URL for the Unleash Kodi add-on is this. Step number 6. Next, type the source name in the field, enter a name for this media source and click OK. Note, you may choose any name you like. The idea is to make the name identifiable with the source. Step number 7. After select the OK option below the source input box. Part 2. Install the repository. Step number 1. Now go back to the Kodi settings page and click add-ons. Number 2. Select the install from zip file tab. Now you need to click the name you choose for the source earlier in step 6. Step number 4. On the following screen, you should see the zip file for the repository. Select it. Step number 5. Now wait for the crew repo installed notification. It appears on the top right of the window. Part 3. Install the add-on. Step number 1. Return to the add-ons main page and click the install from repository option. Step number 2. Click the repository you have installed. The crew repo is the example. Step number 3. Select video add-ons. Step number 4. Next, click the add-on you wish to install from the repository. Step number 5. Go to the bottom right corner of the installation page and select the install button. Step number 6. A window showing additional add-ons to be added along with Unleash will appear. Click OK. Step number 7. Wait for the Unleash add-on install notification to appear in the Windows top right corner. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.